hey there everybody, welcome back to Adventure in Art. My name is Ben Staley, your resident talking head. This video is about my semi-recent shoot with Morgan. Shot Morgan actually a couple months ago. Wasn't going to make a video about it because I didn't get around to interviewing Morgan. I don't know why. I think we were jammed up with time or something and I skipped the interview, and I typically like to have the models interview in all of my session videos on the channel. Why? Because it's not just about pretty faces, it's not just about photography. This channel's about stories, and I like to hear people's stories. I like to make videos about stories. So I didn't have that, and I was like, I guess I just won't make a video. But then recently I was going back through some work, and I looked at this session, I looked at the images, and I was like, dang, I really like these. I guess I better make a video, because I did shoot it. I have video footage of it. So that's what this is. Let's get into it.
Yeah, just rained and washed it, but you know, still. You got some goosebumps. Just lean back and just, can you do that? That's just summer. Oh, dude. How sick is that?
So sick. Like, oh,
we got it. We got one picture. We're good. We're good. Been nice.
all right. Yeah.
So that's the Bible.
I think the key to good portraiture is having a connection with the subject. So I'm trying to achieve that right away. I'm trying to make the subject feel safe. I'm trying to get our vibrations to match frequencies. I'm trying to get us on the same page. I'm trying to find common ground. I'm trying to add some humor in there. I want it to be fun, collaborative, safe, and open. So, you know, I'm working early on. If I haven't met the person, we don't have like prior history. I'm just trying to figure out how to do all that and trying to figure out what this person's going to respond to so that we can get the best results. We can have a good time. It should be loose. It should be fun. It should be no stress. Of course, the bar is high. We want to make good work. We want this to not be a waste of time. So I'm very focused, but I'm also very loose. And I just think this is essential for making good art. Be loose and collaborative and playful and open to ideas, but at the same time, be very focused and have your senses finely tuned and sharp and just ready to engage. You know, Morgan and I had been talking for quite a while about doing a shoot, and she right away messaged me and said, whoa, I have this designer that makes these really cool kind of chainmail pieces, and I think she's going to lend me one, so maybe that's what we'll do. And I was excited about it, and it's a pretty cool outfit. I didn't know if she's going to bring anything else or what we were going to do. I leave that up to the model, but this is all she brought, and believe me, it's enough. I'm shooting with the S5 IIX, which is recording me right now. Mostly I used this 50mm S prime. Love these little S prime lenses. They're light and they're sharp and they're super cool. Also, for some of the closer shots, you'll notice I use this Voigtlander 75mm f1.5. I love this lens so much. It is so sharp and so shallow. It's a manual M-mount lens, so it slows you down a little bit, but when you nail it, the results are incredible. I firmly believe that your creativity is defined by your limitations. You don't need a big fancy studio. You don't need a whole bunch of equipment. All you need is a little bit of light and a lot of creativity, and you can make some magic. So I hope you like this video, folks. If you got any questions or comments or complaints or concerns, leave them down below. Thanks for stopping by. We'll see you real soon for another video. Thank you. I want to get us on the same page. I want to blah 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 blah. This channel's about stories. This channel's about stories.